Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself Neha Gupta, and I have completed my bachelor's in bioscience and my MSc in biochemistry and MTech in biotechnology. After that, I have 6 years of experience in bioinformatics field and research organization. So, in my first company, Cellworks, I have joined as an associate biomodeling scientist, where my work involved the scoping the literature about the cancer-related genes, and our main company focus was to predict drug or combination of drugs for cancer prediction. And in my second company, D12 Pharma, I had experience about the different KOL stakeholders involved, and different KOL identification and different grants available and associations involved. So this all helped me to get a knowledge about the different trials happening all around the globe. And in my third company, Covance, I have joined as a centralized study associate, where my work involved mainly in dealing with the clinical trial documents, handling ETMF tools, and even handling different sponsors project. So all these things have urged me to pursue further enhance my knowledge in bioinformatics, masters in bioinformatics program. I was really amazed to see this opportunity in University of Skopje, and I now wish to take an admission in MSc in bioinformatics, which will help me to enhance my skills. And if given opportunity, I would like to further pursue my research in University of Skopje itself. Thank you so much for listening, hoping your kind consideration in this regard. Thank you.